Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top 5 best smart locks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Yale Security Assure Lock 2 Deadbolt. Yale has been a trusted name in home security for well over a century, and their Assure Lock 2 is a testament to their commitment to innovation. This smart lock offers key-free access, allowing users to unlock their door using a keypad, voice assistant, auto unlock, or the Yale Access app. Wi-Fi connectivity eliminates the need for additional hubs, making it a hassle-free option for most users. The design is sleek and minimal, with a powder-coated finish in black suede that blends seamlessly with modern or traditional home aesthetics. Installation is straightforward, requiring only a screwdriver, and its auto-lock feature ensures your door is always secure after closing. The hands-free auto-unlock function is especially convenient for those carrying groceries or managing kids. While the Yale Assure Lock 2 excels in convenience and design, its biggest drawback is its price, which is currently unavailable but typically trends higher. Additionally, the reliance on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi may limit compatibility for certain users. Despite these minor shortcomings, this lock is ideal for tech-savvy homeowners who value a blend of style, functionality, and security. At number 4, we have the VCHO keyless entry door lock with handle. If you're looking for an affordable, multifunctional smart lock, this one might just surprise you. With 4-in-1 keyless entry options, including app control, 100 user codes, one-time codes, and traditional keys, this lock is designed for versatility. It's a great choice for homes, rental properties, and even hotels. The black zinc exterior is both durable and modern, and it includes a convenient door handle set. The Smart Life app allows you to manage access, generate one-time passwords for guests, and monitor entry logs. Its auto lock and one-touch lock features enhance security, while the low battery alert and emergency USB-C charging port ensure you're never locked out. One of the standout features is its price at just $55.69, making it accessible for those on a budget. However, its reliance on a physical button to activate Wi-Fi mode and the absence of included batteries might be minor inconveniences. Overall, the VCHO Smart Lock offers tremendous value for those who want smart features without breaking the bank. Taking the number 3 spot is the VCHO TE001 keyless entry door lock, the most budget-friendly option on our list. At just $35.99, this smart deadbolt packs in a surprising number of features. It offers passcode entry with up to 20 unique codes, a one-time PIN for guests, and an auto-lock feature that secures your door in 10 to 99 seconds. The satin nickel finish and compact design make it an aesthetically pleasing choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a screwdriver, which makes it an excellent choice for DIYers. The lock also includes anti-peeping code protection, a vacation mode, and a low battery indicator for added peace of mind. While the VCHO TE001 excels in affordability and simplicity, it lacks advanced connectivity features like app control or Wi-Fi integration. This makes it perfect for those who want reliable security without the technical bells and whistles. It's ideal for homeowners looking for a simple, durable, and cost-effective smart lock. At number 2, we have the Ultra-Lock Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This feature-rich lock is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want it all. With 8-in-1 keyless entry options including fingerprint ID, anti-peep keypad, smartphone app control, and voice assistant compatibility, the Ultra-Lock is designed for maximum convenience and security. The lock is built to last, with an IP65 rated exterior that can withstand extreme weather conditions. It also meets ANSI Grade 1 standards, ensuring top-notch durability. The integrated door sensor and auto-lock feature provide added reassurance, while the built-in Wi-Fi eliminates the need for a separate hub. Installation is quick and easy, taking just 10 minutes with a screwdriver. At $135, the Ultralock is a bit pricier than simpler models, but its robust feature set justifies the cost. It's an excellent choice for families, Airbnb hosts, or anyone who wants advanced security features with a touch of convenience. The only downside is its reliance on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may not suit all network setups. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Schlage Code Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock. With its premium design and unmatched feature set, this lock stands at the top of the smart lock market. At $229.80, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it delivers exceptional performance and security. The Schlage Code features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to lock, unlock, and manage access codes through the Schlage app. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even Airbnb, making it a versatile solution for smart homes and rental properties. The matte black finish and Century design add a touch of elegance to your front door, while the built-in alarm system enhances security. This lock is perfect for those who want premium features like remote access, guest code management, and seamless smart home integration. The only drawbacks are its higher price point and the need for 4 AA batteries, which are included but may require frequent replacement. For those seeking the best of the best, the Schlage Code is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.